There are youth clubs available across Rhondda and Taff for young people aged 11 and over. Most of these are delivered by Rhondda and Taff's youth service, YEPS. YEPS also support other organisations to deliver youth clubs across RCT. To find out where the closest youth club is to you, please go to the YEPS website or speak to the YEPS worker based in your school or your local community. When you attend for the first time, you will be asked to provide a simple personal information such as emergency contact number or any health issues. You will also be given a consent form for you to give to your parent or guardian, and this can be a paper copy or sent via text. Youth clubs offer a range of activities and opportunities for you to socialise with your friends or to make new friends. All youth clubs will have Wi-Fi available for you. Youth clubs are open access provision, which means you are able to come and leave when you want and do not have to stay for the whole session. As well as these activities, you will be offered information, advice and guidance to support you with some of life's challenges. This will be delivered by qualified and registered youth workers or by specialist external services. Examples of these include Barod for substance use, a registered sexual health nurse for contraception and sexual health, and the police or fire service regarding the impact of antisocial behaviour. All of this voluntary, and you do not have to take part in any of these sessions. If you want more information, please discuss with your youth worker or contact us through the YEPS website or our social media platforms.